How to get $60 AliExpress promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in AliExpress promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for AliExpress. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, coupon follow. Once you open it, you can scroll down and check. You can see that $25 off, $8 off, 10% off, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. So here is the code, copy it, then click on redeem at AliExpress. You will be directed to the official website of AliExpress. Now you can log into your account, browse through the items and select the items that you want to purchase. Proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount in your order. Likewise, make sure to try out other offers as well, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Lastly, make sure to check out these websites as well, because these websites will also provide a working promo code for AliExpress. This way, you can easily get $60 AliExpress promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.